everything. Minus Gucci. That one is cute. I got to right here. The sneakers. Are these Team Red and White? The dog school. These aren't. Oh, this is Tokyo. To get a scarf. You can just see the eyes on fake base. It doesn't feel real. The nails are sharp. They like and feel very much real. Why? In the shop, you can actually get checked in the shop. Where did they go to the mannequin? I found this vintage Bottega Veneta in the thrift shop. It has a few stains, but it can be wiped off. The colors are bird for dipping a tea. Look at how beautiful the sky is. Wow. Okay, I look crazy, but we have one more month in Japan. My hair look, yeah, look wild. We have one more month in Japan, and we're trying to use up a health card. So we're on our way to the doctor to get a checkup. Yeah, one full body adult checkup. Let's go. Looking like a 10 out of 10. Add everything. Minus nothing. Yeah. It's a lip gloss, people. So I cut my hair. Ooh. The one thing the sky I gotta do is serve. Yeah. So that we're going to is right across the road. It's very close to Surikawa station. It's called Surikawa Ladies Clinic, and it's right across the road. Come on, bonus. Alright, so right here, so there's this pink building. Here's the Surikawa station, Surikawa Ladies Clinic. Let's get inside. I didn't know I've had pharmacy with this as well. Still not open yet. 9:30. Till the cars go by. Actually quite early. Them not open yet. So we're in the toilet now, we're not in the juice, and we have to pee in a cup. So you're gonna put right here. Here write your name, focus. Here write your name, pee, and then you put it outside. Pee. I also tried to take blood right here, but I couldn't get any blood from my arm, so I go down. Yeah. Hey, so I'm going to jump in with a voiceover here. So I got my eyes tested as well. And as you can see, it wasn't that costly. I then got my favorite snack. One of my favorite snacks in Japan is curry pan. They call it curry pan, but it's basically curry bread. And you have the meat inside of the bread. And it's really good. And it's hot. This is my favorite thrift shop in Japan. They play music in here. So I can't really
talk while I'm in here, but I did a lot of videos. I really love this coat. It was beautiful, and I think it was probably like 200 yen, which is probably like it was no more than $5 USD. So that is crazy. Here I'm trying to show you around my favorite thrift shop. I visited this thrift shop at least once a week. I loved it. And these pair of shoes, they were cute. And can you guess in the comments how much? How much did it cost? Yes, yes, yes. I love them and I got them. Yeah, they were comfy, very, very comfy. Um, and as you can see, I'm super excited about showing them. So yes, please. Yes, they came home with me. But in the thrift shop, they had a lot of cool shoes. This Valentino shoes was so adorable. But guess what? It was going for like maybe 400 USD. And I wasn't for it because it was a bit dirty. Yeah, no. I'm buying, it's pre-loved. Right? Why is it dirty for 400? No. But I really like shopping in the male section because it has some really dope sneakers over there. Cute sneakers. That's a Jordan right there. They have like a lot of Jordans. Adidas, of course, Yeezy. Multiple options there. I saw Balenciaga. I'm going to show it shortly, but can you guess? Don't look at the price. Don't look at the price. Can you guess how much for these Balenciagas? They were so heavy. It's ridiculous. I also love buying jewelry here as well. You can get fashion jewelry and you can get your delicate pieces. So I love that. Here I'm looking at a ring because it was really, really cute. And I think it was maybe like for 400 yen, which again is less than $2. And then I'm off to the 100 yen shop. That's like the dollar store for Americans. And right here, they have a face trimmer. That's cool, right? For 500 yen, that's maybe around $3 or something like that. Take care of your dental health. I am for that. Tongue brush, like you need a tongue brush. If you don't have a tongue brush, you need a tongue brush. Anyways, let's go to Starbucks. Never at that. It just look wrong. Jesus. Anyways, eggs. Look much for 6 egg. Cheese. But then look how much for like what is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. What about them? I guess so.
Oh, going home. Tell the world that I'm going home. I got so much bags. Look at how beautiful the sky is. Wow. That's beautiful. That's real beautiful. Hear this weird song? Is that a fire alarm going off? What's happening? Is that a vehicle? Look at the mountains. Like, baby. Oh, it's so beautiful today. Can you imagine the sunset over there? I think that's over like Yokohama, back Yokosuka side. You can imagine? The sunset's supposed to be so pretty. Oh, wow. So like, how much I go on here? People cheer. Whoa. Look at that. Can you imagine behind it? Behind the clouds. Anyways, it's beautiful. But I'm actually sneak peek of where I work. So in the schools here, this is how it normally looks. I can't show the classroom, they're not like that. But when you enter a school in Japan, you normally have to take off your shoes and put them in these lockers. And then you put on your indoor shoes. So that's kind of pretty cool, right? You have an outdoor shoes, so that's the outdoor shoes. Put it in a locker. And then, no, that was my indoor shoes, sorry. I put in the locker, and those were my rain boots, so my outdoor shoes. I'm gonna put them on so I can go home. And I normally have like the trophies and stuff like what the kids win and stuff like that at the front. And of course you have to exit. And they ridiculously, not ridiculously, it's kind of extremely safe. So take that back, not ridiculously. Most elementary schools or all schools are generally on a hill because they're normally used as evacuation points for like, not hurricane, like earthquakes and stuff like that. So they're normally on a hill. So every day I had to walk down a massive hill to go and get the bus or whatever. So here I'm showing how I normally walk down the hill and stuff like that. Bye. Oh, I must add, like for tsunami and stuff like that, it's good if you're on a hill, right? So that's the sense behind all of that, why the schools are on a hill. Yep. So I'm showing you my two schools. I normally go to two schools. So like Monday to Wednesday I'm at one school or I interchange every other day I go to the different schools. And I'm showing you. I have to do multiple steps. So I'm normally, getting in my steps every day when I go to school. Yeah, and the community, like the kids normally walk to school in the morning. So in the morning, you normally have kids walking to school, but because I leave school like after the kids are gone, so that's why you don't see any kids on the road. So they normally go to elementary school within their area. So you normally see them out walking together, going to school with their little hats on. Yeah. Anyways, again, bye. And then I use it across the road and stuff. Yeah, you walk from school down the hill to catch the bus. Going to the bus stop. Yes. I love that the sunlight comes like right through that apartment. this thing that I used to store, this drawer that I used to store my smaller items, my socks, my sheets, my towels, panties, bras, and stuff like that. So yeah, my room look a mess, so I can't really show it right now, but all right, we're going to the thrift shop. We're going to the thrift shop. This is how it looks so we can be comfortable. At my favorite thrift shop in Japan. I love this brand a lot, Cheddar Factory, and here I am trying to sell them my drawer that I had. No, the thing about it is that, can you guess, first of all, how much will I get back for this drawer? So right here, I'm showing a rack, a hanger that I had in my room. They gave me around 1,000 yen. They're about like $7 USD for it. And now they're selling it for 5,000 something yen. So that is around $47, $45. So they're giving us a tiny bit, but they're selling it for the big money. Anyways, check out my favorite thrift shop. They have a lot of stuff from furniture, appliances, clothes, shoes, jewelry, luxury items, cheap items, you name it, they got it. Yeah, I love shopping in Japan, and I love the thrift shopping idea that Japan has, because it's a great way not to save the planet, save the earth. Because right now I'm in Jamaica and I'm trying to find some furniture for my place. And listen, just for my room. And it is so challenging. So I miss Japan. I miss that side of Japan.
Like a rebel for the night, a little more, I'll be alright, but she won't call me out of spite, yeah, yeah. Like a rebel for the night, ain't no more, and that's alright, I sip too much, I gotta drive, yeah, yeah. Like a rebel for the night, a little more, I'll be alright, but she won't call me out of spite, yeah, yeah. Like a rebel for the night, ain't no more, and that's alright, I sip too much, I gotta drive, yeah, yeah. I thought you were different, so you told me you was dipping, and I started all the sipping, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you thought I was different. I'm set on a mission, I'm the only one to get it, yeah, yeah. I could never understand how you want another man, so I blow it up again, yeah, yeah. How I never understand how you want me at a chance, and you switch and change your plans, yeah, yeah. Like a rebel for the night, a little more, I'll be alright, but she won't call me out of spite, yeah, yeah. Like a rebel for the night, ain't no more, and that's alright, I sip too much, I gotta drive, yeah, yeah. Like a rebel for the night, a little more, I'll be alright, but she won't call me out of spite, yeah, yeah. Like a rebel for the night, ain't no more, and that's alright, I sip too much, I gotta drive, yeah, yeah. I gotta drive, yeah, yeah.
To take my love away. When I come back around, will I know what to say? Said you won't forget my name. Not today, not tomorrow. Kinda strange, feeling sorrow. Like I change, you could borrow. When I come back around, will I know what to say? Not today. Maybe tomorrow. Open up the door, can you open up the door? I know you said before you can't cope with anymore. You told me it was more, said you'd show.
Yes, so I'm jumping back in with another voiceover to say, so when you go to the thrift shop in Japan and you want to sell your items, which I did on this day, I was selling the little drawer thingy. First you have to submit your items for them to review it. And then you join a line, you get a ticket and you get a number. And then when your number is ready, you can either get a message on your phone or they'll announce it over the speaker, but they do it in Japanese, right? And then after they evaluate your items, then they're going to ask you to sign tablet on their tablet. If you don't have an account with them, they'll ask you to register and you fill in your information, your address, and so on. And then they'll tell you how much they'll be paying you for the item. Now I had a 20% coupon and I got $564 with my 20% coupon. 564 yen. Dollars, not dollars. So that was about maybe like $4 USD for the item. Yeah, kind of ridiculous. How much did you guess in the comments? Yeah, it was about $4, $5, and originally I spent like around $10, $15 for it. Yeah. What do you think? Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Let me work it. Anyways, I'm gone. Bye.
Shop. This shop is like, yeah. I love that shop here.
If I could rebel for the night, ain't no more, and that's alright. I sip too much, I gotta drive, yeah, I thought you were different, so you told me you was dipping, and I started all the sipping, yeah. You thought I was different. I'm set on a mission, I'm the only one to get it, yeah. I could never understand how you want another man. I'll be alright, but she won't call me out of spite, yeah. If I could rebel for the night, ain't no more, and that's alright. I sip too much, I gotta drive, yeah. If I could rebel for the night, ain't no more, and that's alright. I sip too much, I gotta drive, yeah. If I could rebel for the night a little more, I'll be alright, but she won't call me out of spite, yeah. If I could rebel for the night, ain't no more, and that's alright. I sip too much, I gotta drive, yeah. If I could rebel for the night a little more, I'll be alright, but she won't call me out of spite. So I blow it up again, yeah. I would never understand how you want me at a chance, and you switch and change your plans, yeah. If I could rebel for the night a little more, I'll be alright, but she won't call me out of spite, yeah. If I could rebel for the night, ain't no more, and that's alright. I sip too much, I gotta drive, yeah. If I could rebel for the
It's still, but slip in as me hang it. But like that's right. Gucci. That one is cute. Fendi. And I'm like, this is 26.5 minutes and that'll fit me. Yeah. Man, I just can't get rid of all the mouth shit. But yeah, that's cute. I like the gray. It's cute. Oh. Yes, about such a cute bag. Look at it. And the blue. Jesus. This is such a cute bag. Such a dope bag. Cute. This collector. My circles. I feel like somebody else. Okay, so I just want to quick jump in and say that if you're in Japan and you plan to move home, whether permanently or temporarily, as a foreigner, if you plan to move back to your home country, you definitely have to go to the pension office. If you have been living there for over, like, I think 2 years or so, once you've been contributing to their pension scheme there, you have to go to the pension office and apply for that pension lump sum. And you can only apply after you leave Japan. More information is in the video. So listen up. Extra info, I was living in Machida City, and that's in Tokyo, so I went to the Machida pension office. It's very close to the Machida station, so that is something to note. And also, if you are not going to be there when it's tax time to collect your tax returns, you can designate someone that's in Japan. Basically, you go to the tax office and you fill out a form and you get your friend's information, and you can designate someone to collect your taxes on your behalf, or go and file your taxes on your behalf, and then your tax returns can be deposited into your Japanese bank account. Anyways, bye. We're going to get your pension documents checked. Yeah, if you apply for the lump sum payment, so you remember. Come in. So we're at the pension office. I know I look kind of crazy, but we're trying to get our documents checked. I want to apply for the lump sum when I leave Japan. So I fill out the forms and I'm trying to get my documents checked to see if they're filled out correctly. And yeah, I guess we can go on. I'll probably ask for a new copy. English Creole. I probably asked for a new copy of the form because I made some mistakes on it, and then I just put it out. They said that you have to send it from abroad, or you can send it before you leave Japan, but it must be delivered to them after you leave Japan. So you have to post it and then request one delivery fee after you leave Japan. You cannot apply for it while you're still living here. Let's do this. If you want to apply for the pension lump sum, they give it to you in Japanese and in English translation, and basically everything explained. And then you would get the form at the back. Yeah.
Start to come to bed.
You need a pension handbook. This is done. Now we're gonna try to go to the city office, the tax office. Alright. Let's go. Japan, the streets of Japan. Yeah. Pharmacists and stuff like that. People can't really show people face still. I really love that restaurant over there. So Kitchen Origin. Yeah. Yeah, coins. Oh my gosh, JP Bank. jumping in real quick just to add that if you have coins in Japan and you want to change it out into paper money, you can take it to the JP Bank, Japan Post Bank, and you can get it changed out. What you know, you pay a small fee, nothing more than $1,000, depending on the amount that you want to change. But it's not very expensive, and I prefer to change it with Japan Post Bank. So you just carry your coins in person and take it to a teller, and they'll allow you to fill out some forms, and you can pay a small fee for them to count it there and get back your money. Yeah. I got a package. I got a package. Is the mid tag item finder package in my luggage this time around. And yeah. I'm going to be traveling during the peak season of December. Almost close to peak season. Some of those things I use these. Alright, so this is how it looks. Let's try this one. Jumping in real quick just to say that these mid tags are perfect. So get them. They're on the japanamazon.com site. Buy it. Thank me later. Bye. The manual. Hasn't jacked up. And then there's a hold on up. And then Jesus. Doing it with one hand. So it comes with key rings. Key ring. And then right there. You can take them out. Oh Jesus. There we go. It pop out. Oh, and I made that sound. So after hours, or like after 2 in the morning, I try to program myself. So I do the vlogging one day. Oh, I eat bread. I'm gonna make some tuna. A little bit left back. Some tuna. Put onion in it. Sweet pepper. Carrot, tomato. And make some chocolate tea. I'm gonna begin some chocolate tea. I'm kind of sick. I'm gonna need to take some pills. So, I'm gonna eat some. I can take some pills. You know the song there? Left, do right, do left. Anyways, I'm in a bed. Kimono, it kind of give church. I've been a pack up for move home to Jamaica. We're going home. I pack up. I'm sick a long time. When I dip bread in a tea. Wow. Bread for dip in a tea. Bread for dip in a tea. Bread for dip in a tea. I want some more hot water. Anyways. I watch YouTube. I'm gonna go back to that too. Chocolate tea. A chocolate tea. A little bit of tuna. My bread. I have the tuna sandwich and my chocolate tea. And my tuna well cooked down with onion and sweet pepper and seasoning. Yeah. Tuna sandwich for eat. And chocolate tea for drink. Wow. What's that? That was a tuna man now. Oh my god.